Hello everyone, welcome to Star Math class. I'm your teacher and today we're diving into algebraic equations. Today we're tackling grade 9 CAPS mathematics, solving linear equations. Let's see what we are working with. Lesson 1, solving for x. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to isolate any variable like a pro. Who's ready to learn? I see some eager hands. Remember our golden rule, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Let's start with this equation. 2x plus 4 equals 10. Our goal, find the value of x. Let's solve this step by step. Step 1. We need to isolate x, so we subtract 4 from both sides. 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. See, both sides treated equally. The 4's cancel out and 10 minus 4 gives us 6, so 2x equals 6. Step 2. 2 is multiplying x, so we divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 equals 6 over 2. Again, both sides get the same treatment. The 2's cancel and 6 divided by 2 is 3, so x equals 3 star power. But wait, we always verify. Let's substitute back. 2 times 3 plus 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 equals 10. Check, check, double check. Excellent work, class. Remember, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other always. This is your golden rule for solving any equation. Balance is everything. Let's quickly recap everything we just learned. We started with the equation 2x plus 4 equals 10. Step 1, we subtracted 4 from both sides to undo the plus 4. That gave us 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. Step 2, we simplified both sides. The 4's cancelled out and 10 minus 4 gave us 6, so 2x equals 6. Step 3, we divided both sides by 2 to undo the multiplication. That gave us 2x divided by 2 equals 6 divided by 2. Step 4, we simplified again. The 2's cancelled and 6 divided by 2 is 3, so x equals 3. But we never just stop there, we always verify. Substituting x equals 3 back into the original equation, the left side becomes 2 times 3 plus 4, which is 6 plus 4, which equals 10. The right side is 10, 10 equals 10. True, our solution is correct. The final answer is x equals 3. Remember the golden rule, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Balance is everything.